Oh. Oh. Ew. Oh. No.
Okay, I just do mine out.
It's like coffee.
Ooh, it looks like coffee.
It looks like coffee.
I don't think they'll probably want to see it.
Oh.
It looks like hot cocoa. I can still taste
I'm
it.
gonna drink. Oh, that's better.
It's worse.
The mint. You know what?
I dare to use 3 minutes.
3?
Yeah.
At a time?
Yeah. No, 3 at the same time.
3 at the same time. Okay.
I'm not.
Wait.
Hey guys, if my sister's watching this, blame him.
You don't want to lock me at 3. Whatever, there's like 100 more.
Yeah. See, like, let me show you. It's like I dropped all of them in there.
Oh god. Okay, it's so huge.
Here, let me open this thing. There's like 5 million more.
It's like 20, 40 more. Okay, look. It's so huge, so now I'm gonna try it.
Is it really hot?
Yeah, it tastes spicy. That's for cinnamon.
Okay, here's a cup. If you need it, shove it.
Oh, it's rank. Oh, oh. I'm gonna drink all of it.
Okay. I'm not a big fan of this. So if you think I like it, just.
Oh. Oh.
It's really bad to drink that Coke.
This is not good for our teeth, but we're eating a mint. Oh. My stomach's gonna hurt and like.
Wait, you wanna see what happens if you pour a little? I'm just gonna put 1 in it, okay? I should.
Oh.
I'm just gonna put it like that.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna put 1 in here.
Okay.
You do it.
Okay.
Here, put it over this. No, don't do that.
Got fizz. It's fizzing.
Kind
I can hear it. Oh.
Don't see what it turned like? If you can see it, it's really gross. It didn't fizz. It didn't like. Whoa, but it's like the bubbles. I mean, not the bubble. The mint is fizzing.
It's still
Jeez.
going. Oh.
Is it still gonna fizz?
Oh man. Oh. It's mint burns.
Dude, it's fizzing. Do you see that?
These mints burn.
I'm not gonna put any more in there.
Oh, man, these burn.
They do?
Oh, these mints. Oh my gosh, you put 2 more in there?
Yeah.
Man, it's just bad.
Yeah, she's not.
Ugh.
Hey, this is your fault. This is both of ours.
It's just for for y'all guys. We're using mints and we're like throwing up Coke. Just for y'all.
Just for y'all. So you got to please.
Gotta do something for
Yeah,
us.
I gotta do something for us. Like, comment at least. That's good.
Tell us if you want more challenges. That's pretty much it for today's challenge. Check out the other challenge. I'll leave it in the description. It'll be fun. See you, subscribe, comment, and leave a thumbs up for more challenges. So.